Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out a reed relay. I used a 3V DC source, connecting the positive to the relay and the other side to a green LED. When a magnet comes close, the relay activates and the LED lights up instantly. Advantages: fast, reliable, low power. Applications: sensors, security, low current switching. Interesting facts about reed relays. They are contact-based, but extremely fast. They can operate in high-voltage circuits if used with a driver. Very compact and suitable for tight spaces. Disadvantages: low current, sensitive to strong magnets. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.